But I still say at the end of the day, I know I always say to some people, don't let that be a reason. If that's something that you really wanted, at least if you don't have any, at least have one. Don't let because of the economy make you not have a child because, you know, because at the end of the day, I always look at it, you'll never financially be ready to have a child, and you will never just at what when life throw things at you, you'll never fully be financially ready. You just gonna have to put yourself in a certain position to know that that's what you want and that's what you go after. Oh, there's my little friend flying across the screen. Please like up the live as you guys come in, guys. Thank you. Ooh.
Get back, get back, get back.